have to get a ladder. I don't reach up there. Short girl issues. Okay, so I just have to cut a little bit from the bottom so I could just install this door and then go to the next one. Creating a template of the doors for here. I cut out my template. I'm using this template to put it against this in slot right here where the door is gonna go, because this is from inside behind the door. That's what I got. Now I'm gonna take my ruler, make sure that I cut above this line like this. It fits perfectly. Then I'm going to take my template. I'm going to measure both of my foam panels. That's the door. It's in there. I have to do the second door now. This is what I have. Now I just gotta cut it with the X-Acto knife or the utility plate. I have my two pieces. I have my straight pins into the door, but I have to do this off camera because I want to make sure that this turns out right. So there are the straight pins. The door is open and closed. I just did a little stopper on these right here. So I measure and I'm gonna cut and I'm going to glue it there, and then I'm gonna cut another piece and glue it on the bottom. So they're in, and I turned it to the side because it was easier to work with like that. Okay, now I just have to make door handles. This side is finished. This part was just measured according to the size of the wound that I have, and what I did was it's kind of an L shape, smaller on top, and then as you go down it's a little bit wider because I wanted this shelf to come out a little bit, and then not only for that reason but because of the sitting bench. And the sitting bench has the pins back here, just like I did the doors. Only the bench opens this way and the door opens this way. I have to create handles. I'm going to put a little strip of ribbon here, and I'm going to create the cushion, the tufted cushion.
I think I like this little